Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection issues on your MOVA V50 Ultra. In case of Wi-Fi connection issues, the best thing to do is to just reconnect it straight away with your phone. That usually fixes the issue and it doesn't affect anything like in a bad way. It doesn't remove the map, it doesn't reset the settings, so I think that's worth doing. First of all, you'll need to press and hold on both buttons on top of the robot. Once it says waiting for the network configuration, you can go into the app. Make sure that you're doing it in this order and don't do it in the other order of first removing it from the app and then resetting, because that may actually delete your map and settings, which you may want to prevent. Once the network configuration is reset, you can now click on the name of your device at the top of the app and click on delete, then click on confirm. Now you can scan or add manually, and in robot vacuum you'll find MOVA series and you'll need to scroll down to V50 Ultra. Now select a Wi-Fi network, and that is very important that you connect to a 2.4 GHz network, which means that if you have just one network at home, it'll most likely be fine. But if you have two networks of a similar name, select the one that doesn't contain 5G or 5 GHz in the name. Then enter its password so it can be sent to the robot, and click on next. Now select that the robot has been turned on and click on next, and select that you've heard the prompt. Now click on OK, and then position a QR code in front of the robot at about 10 centimeters distance.
Start connecting to the network.
Once it says start connecting to the network, you can select this checkbox and then click on next. Now click on finished and your robot is connected. If that didn't work, try bringing your phone and the router closer to the robot, and also try factory resetting the robot. There's a video about it on the channel. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.